Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrative or owner rights because permission errors block deletion. Next, open File Explorer or a terminal and navigate to the exact folder path. Spelling matters. Once there, enable hidden items and show file extensions so you can see phantom entries. If you see the item visually missing, record the folder path and note any symlink or network mount. These clues explain why the item appears absent and will guide the specific delete command you'll use. Once done, list all entries with dir or lslet to reveal hidden, 0-byte, or broken symlink files that look missing. You should also search for open file handles with handle, lsoff, or resource monitor because locks can hide items from deletion. If a process holds the handle, close the app or politely stop the service. If needed, kill the process. After handles are cleared, use unlink, rm, del, or the file manager delete to remove the ghost entry. This sequence prevents data corruption. To finish, empty the recycle bin or run an fsync/flush so the deletion is committed to disk. This ensures the item truly vanishes. If the ghost remains, make sure to run chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Unix to fix file system errors that preserve phantom entries. As a last resort, restore the folder from backup to a safe location, recreate the intended structure, and then migrate data. If problems persist, check for network share caching or corrupted metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.